Hi, tutor. My name is David Alejandro Gonzalez, and route 54. This is my identification number. My 3-digit last are 422. Applications, exercises. For the development following exercises, know that GG correspond root number and CC of the last 2 digits, the identification number 4422. Geometric parameters, it are conductor properly, conductivity, properly on insulator, uplift signal frequency 422 kilohertz. This is geometrical parameters is called cell lines. This is equations. Low frequency, inductance, capacitance, simulator, GeoGebra, calculator, figure 2 checking exercise using the GeoGebra tool, propagation parameters, propagation constants, equation, attenuation constants, bands constant, y characteristics, and impedance. Propagation velocity, wavelength, attenuation. Well, the interpretation is according to is debido a que la profundidad de penetración de la onda en el conductor es mayor que el núcleo conductor, se debe trabajar en baja frecuencia. La onda se desplaza con la velocidad de 131 .72 x 10 exponente 6 minutos por segundo. A través de la línea está recorriendo una distancia de 132 0.96 antes de sufrir corrimiento de fase de 2pi con una obturación de vida del conductor de menos 0.1184 dB sobre metros. Tenemos la Loneless Transmission Line, Input Impedance, Reflection Coefficient, VCWR, this is interpretation, the exercises, example, results of transmission, coaxial line cable. Thank you.